Are you facing this problem? Then this video is for you. I will solve the problem in few steps. Step 1. Go to Play Store and check if your Facebook Lite app is updated or not. If not, then update it. Step 2. Go to the settings option of your mobile and then go to Apps. Then click on Apps Management. Then search for Lite. Then go to Store Usage. And click on Clear Cache. Then click on Manage Space. Then clear all. Now go to Facebook Lite and log in your account. Here we go. Now you can see your problem is solved.